In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first site in Dreamweaver. We'll go from opening the app to saving your very first HTML page, so you'll have a clean starting point for any project. Start by launching Dreamweaver on your computer. When it opens, you may see the Welcome or Start screen. That's perfectly fine. It just gives you quick access to creating and managing files. If you're already inside the workspace, you'll see panels around the main editor area. Next, look to the right side of the interface for the Files panel. It's the panel with a small folder icon and a drop-down. This is where Dreamweaver keeps track of the files that belong to your site. Click the drop-down to reveal more options. Keeping your site tied to a defined folder helps Dreamweaver handle links, uploads, and code hints correctly. Choose Manage Sites. In the dialog that opens, click New Site. Give your site a clear, descriptive name that helps you recognize it later. Then specify your local site folder, the main folder on your computer where all pages, images, style sheets, and scripts for this site will live. You can point to an existing folder or create a new one dedicated to this site. Confirm your choices and save. You've just told Dreamweaver where your project lives. Now create your first page. Click Create New to open the New Document dialog. Select HTML as the document type and leave the template set to None, so you start with a blank page. This gives you a clean canvas without any preset layout, which is great for learning and keeps your structure fully under your control. Click Create. Dreamweaver opens a new untitled HTML document in the editor. You'll see both code and a design view depending on your layout preferences. At this point, the file exists only in memory, so let's store it in your site folder. Go to File, then Save As, and name the file index HTML. The name index is important. Most web servers look for a file with this exact name to serve as the default page for a folder. Use lowercase and no spaces to avoid path issues. Make sure you're saving inside the site folder you defined earlier so the file appears in the Files panel and stays linked to your project. That's it. You've created your first Dreamweaver site and saved your first page, ready for content and styling.